How to use car policy coverage options. Explain properly beginner mistakes that cost you. Most drivers don't fully understand their car insurance coverage, and that's where costly mistakes happen. You won't believe how often beginners assume basic coverage is enough. The first mistake is ignoring the difference between liability, collision, and comprehensive coverage. Liability covers damage to others, collision covers your car in an accident, and comprehensive handles theft, fire, or natural disasters. Choosing only one can leave huge gaps. Another common error is underestimating liability limits. Many policies meet the state minimum, but serious accidents can exceed these limits, leaving you personally responsible for damages. Opt for higher limits if your budget allows. Many people also overlook optional add-ons like roadside assistance, rental reimbursement, or gap coverage. These extras may seem unnecessary until you face an unexpected situation, and then they become invaluable. A surprising mistake is assuming deductibles are always better low. Higher deductibles lower premiums but constrain your wallet after an accident. Balance your deductible with your savings to avoid surprises. Finally, beginners often fail to review policy exclusions. Every policy has them, from wear and tear to certain types of damage. Knowing what's excluded prevents denied claims later. To properly use car policy coverage options, understand the types of coverage, choose adequate liability limits, consider useful add-ons, balance deductibles, and read exclusions carefully. Doing this ensures you're prepared for anything on the road.